Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have some more information on the Ipsy mystery bags. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, my name's Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in. But I promise not to disappoint you all the time. But if you would take the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell, that way you're notified every video I upload. Now, let's read the first comment on my last video, which was the video, I'm rich and you can be too. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, good morning, Mandy. Well, good morning back to you, Pauline, even though it's probably nighttime now by the time I get this video out. But I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment underneath this video right here. You got 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now guys, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from that video. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's jump into these bags. So first of all, they are here now. They are available for sale right now, y'all. These are the mystery bags. You will get a bag from the previous month filled with 5 products. Now you're going to find this under your Ipsy account under the Ipsy shopper, and you get to choose your favorite one for only $12. Now of course that's going to be free shipping. So if you're interested, of course Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you right now. But of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers or any more updates, I will update you guys. And guys, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. Just make sure, because YouTube is taking my comments, my subscribers, my views, everything. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're doing. So if you would double check and make sure you're still subscribed. And if you ain't, what the hell? What the hell you doing? I mean, what you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then what I need you to do is rate the video, but you only got one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure that notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no more comments down there saying, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video.